So first thing what we're going to do here is look at our instruction manual. We'll open up to the table of contents. And right there it says first one, install power supply. Open up to the page. And then you have your instructions right there for it. And right here we have our power supply. It opens up from the bottom and flips open. And you have a warranty guide, some other paper. And here you have some little ties and screws. Got your cable. And then you have the power supply itself. And right here you have your wires that are going to be held together. Twist them around.
This is the power supply. It converts power from an outlet into energy the computer can use. These are the cords that connect the power supply to other parts of the computer. And there are slots here to put additional cords. And on this side you can turn the power supply on and off, and this connects to a cord that goes into the outlet. When you're putting in the power supply, you need to make sure that the fan's facing up to help cool the computer. And it just slides in there under this.
And it has to line up there, 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 and there. And also with the power supply came in 4 screws. They're Phillips head. So you're gonna start one by one putting them in. We're gonna tighten them. And you're gonna take a screwdriver, tighten them up.